So BTC is currently at $92,000. As we can see from here, it maintains a bullish structure in this my Trump wins zone. And if this zone is held, then it could go as high as the extended topping zone right here. Now, if you don't know what these zones are, let's just do a quick refresher for you. Interesting outlook here on Bitcoin. I'm expecting BTC to go up as high as $73,000, and after that I will be expecting BTC to go up as high as $85,000, and after that we could be looking at $100,000 per Bitcoin. Now, this is the extended top, so that's extended target, and it's not guaranteed. This one is pretty much guaranteed. Alright, so we made that video when BTC was at $67,000, and we were saying essentially that this particular zone right here is pretty much guaranteed, and this is somewhere around $85,000 to $89,000. It is the zone where we are seeing this bullish type consolidation right here. Now, I was expecting that we will have a bigger correction right here, but so far we have not had that correction, and it is not actually proving that we will have a correction. In fact, we are actually seeing bullish formations right here. So it increases the chances that we go as high as this zone right here. Now, this extended top is somewhere between 100 to 108K. But I stress on the fact that it's not guaranteed. That's why you see me having dotted lines like so. Whereas for this particular zone, I had straight lines, suggesting that it's much more guaranteed than this other zone up here. Now, my concerns with going as high as this zone is again with USDT dominance, and that's what I've been suggesting for the past couple of days, that it is at support, and it just makes it uncertain that we go as high as here. However, the BTC chart in isolation shows that yeah, it could very well continue up till this zone right here. Now, what would this mean for altcoins if BTC does go as high as this zone right here? Well, it will be good actually, because it will confirm rallies on things like Ethereum. Here is what I mean by that. So we see that Ethereum had this big move to the upside, yes? The only problem with this particular move is that it did not go above this previous high right here. Not going above this previous high maintains the downtrend from its all-time high. Now, the all-time high I'm talking about is just the one for the 2024-2025 bull market, not as far back as the 2021 bull market, just for this particular uptrend right here. So we had this uptrend here, we went up like so, and then we put in this big high here, yes? And then we dropped down 1, we had another drop 2, and then we had another drop 3, then consolidation. So to confirm a new uptrend, we need to come back above this high right here, and currently we have not done that. So if BTC can rally to that extended top, then hopefully anyway, ETH should come above this particular zone right here, and that means that ETH goes above $3,560. So we're talking roughly $3,600. ETH should go above that. That will confirm a break of this entire downtrend right here, and even if we do have a retracement from there, it will still be good because it's just a retracement for a bigger rally to come. Hopefully you understand. So if we do go up here for Mr. BTC for the extended top, and I say if because it's really uncertain. Again, USDT dominance is at support, and being at support quite literally means that BTC is at resistance. But assume that we do go up here. Well, that would end my analysis for BTC's uptrend from somewhere around 53K. Now, ending my analysis means that from there on out, I will only have to expect a correction. I can't, chart to suggest that it goes higher than that. I'm not saying it cannot go higher. I'm just saying that I will not have the data or proof to suggest that it goes higher. Now, for some of you who still may not understand, here is what my whole thesis is. I believe markets move in 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah? That's how I believe markets move. And from the bottom right here, this is the one. From this low right here, so after this consolidation right here, this is the two. Now the two is mostly the longest one. After the three, or say after the two right here, that's the second move up, we have another consolidation, and then now we are in three. Now, in this particular zone right here, inside of this particular consolidation right here, the consolidation itself has its own targets. And when I say my analysis will end, I'm talking about the analysis of this consolidation right here. I'm just saying this because a lot of people still will not understand after I said it before. So the analysis of this particular consolidation ends somewhere around 100K to 108K. But the analysis for this big move, that's the whole analysis for all of this, the analysis for all of this is way higher. I hope you understand. Now, way higher means I'm talking about 170, and I even have my another target, which is quite literally my extended target, and that's the maximum I can see for BTC this cycle, and that's somewhere around 250K, and I actually made another dedicated video for that. So after my extended top, assuming that we do go there, again, it's uncertain, but assuming that we go there, that's where my analysis will end. My analysis will end here. Analysis for this consolidation. So after this, I'd be expecting a correction that comes back as low as this zone right here, somewhere around 80 actually, 80 to 77. That's where I'd actually expect that we come back to. And if we do come back from there, then I can now expect my full bull target. Yeah, but if we don't correct from here, if we don't have any significant correction from here and even come back to somewhere around 85-ish, then I'd be like dumbfounded, because that's just where this whole thing ends. I can't, suggest that it goes higher from this particular zone, except we have another long consolidation right here and have another proof for a move higher. So that's about it, folks. That's my whole thought process on this. That's what I expect to happen. If we do go higher and altcoins take off, or say initiate their own bull, as I explained with Ethereum, it will be great. If Bitcoin continues to consolidate and we have that push on alts, it will be great. But eventually, even if we go as high as the extended top, or if we don't, we should see a correction before that extended top or after that extended top. That slight correction will be really needed for me to make another forecast predicting another move to the upside, and that one should be the real bull. Again, alt season is not here yet. So all these rallies that you're seeing now, or if your coin has rallied, that's not the alt season yet. And it will be fascinating to see when the alt season does come. If you have any questions, if you did not understand anything that I said, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any coins that you want me to look at, also let me know in the comments. But until the next one, stay safe.